Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks, and somebody's trying to take text and they don't want to convert it into a curve because they want to use multiple things, but that doesn't really matter because you just make copies of this and keep changing your text and you can make it a curve. But if you don't want to do that, you can place your item above your text, set your nudge distance on something larger than your item, which is 2.69, so I've set it on 3. First of all, I'm a big fan of having it set on 0, 0, even though this doesn't come into play. And then select it all. So this is a text still. If you can see, it's something Gothic. But select it all, go up to Intersect, and then nudge down. Go over here, right-click to fill it back in. And then just grab your text and nudge it down. And there you have a good, clean zebra font. And you can play around with that, which one you like best, and move it around. You know, you can kind of see it when it's up there to see what you want to do and where you want to put it. You know, you could move this around. Let me back up one more step. Move this around. You could have it, you know, you could move this anywhere you want. Now you could probably power clip this into there, but power clip sometimes comes into play and it doesn't always work. And to do that, you go to Object, and I don't use power clip anymore, so I got to find it right here, place inside frame, and go here, and it does the same thing. Now the only disadvantage is it's a power clip, and you can't do anything with it now. It's done. Now you can edit it and move the contents around, and edit it and move your contents around, and then go finish, and it's back to normal. But I have never really seen it for myself, but a lot of times people will say it will still print outside. So it's a lot safer to use the Intersect tool to get that effect. I hope that answered their question, and thank you for watching.